Did you know that the WebAssign application allows an instructor to embed different types of media into a WebAssign question? For example, you can embed a YouTube or a Vimeo video or an Excel spreadsheet into a WebAssign question. In this video, I'll show you how to embed an Excel worksheet into a WebAssign question in such a way that students can change the data, and this won't affect your original worksheet. Let's take a look. Here's an example of an Excel worksheet embedded into a WebAssign question. As you can see, the data in the worksheet is editable by students, and when they change the data, the calculations and the scatter plot change. Here's how this is done. We'll go over to Excel Online. Here's the worksheet. Pretty straightforward worksheet with 35 rows of data for 2 variables. Here's the correlation and the scatter plot. Now, how did I get this worksheet into WebAssign? Easy. First, I'll exit the worksheet and go back to my personal OneDrive account to find my list of Excel files. I'll find that worksheet and right-click on it. From the options, I'll click on Embed. Notice this gives me a preview and the embed code I can put into WebAssign. But there's just one thing I want to do before I copy that code. I'll click on Customize how this embedded workbook will appear to others. On this page, I'll check the box next to Let people type into cells. Their changes will not be saved. Now I'll copy the code and head back to WebAssign. Simply paste the embed code right below the instructions. Let's preview the question to see what it will look like to students. Let's change this 22 to 32. Double-click in the cell. This change should decrease the correlation. The correlation has changed, and so has the scatter plot. And that's all there is to it. Just create a worksheet in Excel Online, grab the embed code, making sure that people can type into the cells, and then paste the code into a WebAssign question. And remember, if you experience any issue embedding media into WebAssign, send an email describing the issue to question_report@webassign.net. We enjoy helping instructors with any question about embedding media into a question or assignment.